If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on your Motorola Moto G87, you can, for example, open the settings on your phone. And then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to personalize. And then here in personalize, you should be able to go to your lock screen over here. Now over here, if you go to the lock screen, you have a couple of different wallpaper options and you want to go to my photos. Over here, you should be able to open the list of pictures that you have on your phone, so you can choose whichever photo you want to set as a wallpaper, and then tap on Done. You can still adjust the photo if you want to. You can tap on this crop icon in the upper right corner, and now you can move left, right, up, and down a little bit. You can zoom in and zoom out, so you should be able to easily adjust the wallpaper just like that. And once you set everything up, you should be able to tap on the Set button at the bottom of the screen, and then you can choose to set it for the home screen, lock screen, or both. So in my case, I'm gonna set it for both. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.